Hello friends, this is Vivash Sarkar. You are watching Entertainment and Seriousness All-Rounder YouTubers. I have started a new course, last time suggestion for SSC CGL Tier 2 aspirants. Okay, Tier 2 is not so far, so you guys also start preparation with me. I shall provide you the math classes on every Wednesday and Saturday at 8 p.m. If you want to get those videos in time, subscribe the channel, and these classes will be made based on the previous year questions of CGL. Okay, so let's start class number 3. Today's topic is trigonometry. Every problem will be based on trigonometry. Okay, let's start the first problem. Here we have to find the value of tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta by 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, let's solve it. We can do it in two different way. Okay, let's see. Tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta by 1 plus cot square theta. We know that sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So we can put the value of 1 plus tan square theta, that is tan square theta by sec square theta plus cot square theta by, we also know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So we can put the value of 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Now tan square theta means sin square theta by cos square theta into 1 by sec square theta, that means cos square theta, plus cot square theta means cos square theta by sin square theta, and 1 by cos square theta means sin square theta. Cos square theta eliminated, and sin square theta eliminated. Now here left sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So 1 is the answer. So 1 is the answer. Clear? We can do the same problem in a different way. Okay, let's do that. Tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta by 1 plus cot square theta. We put the value of theta equal to 45 degree. Okay, then tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45 plus cot square 45 degree by 1 plus cot square 45 degree. We know that tan 45 degree equal to 1. So here tan square 45 equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 plus cot 45 equal to 1 also. So here 1 by 1 plus 1, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 1. So it is the result. So we can do it in two different ways. Okay, here we put theta equal to 45, but why? You can put theta equal to 45 because here tan theta and cot theta is provided. Okay, when there is sin theta and cos theta in the problem, then you can put theta equal to 0 degree, and when there is any other function like tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta, then you can put theta equal to 45 to find the value. Okay, the next problem. If 7 sin square theta minus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta equal to 2, that is given, then we have to find the value of sec 2 theta plus cot 2 theta by cosec 2 theta plus tan 2 theta. Okay, let's start the problem. Here it is given that 7 sin square theta minus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta equal to 2, that is 7 sin square theta. we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So we can put the value of cos square theta, that is 1 minus sin square theta, minus 1 minus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta equal to 2, that is 7 sin square theta minus 1 minus minus plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 2 equal to 0, that is 7 sin square theta plus sin square theta, that is 8 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 3 equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation, so we have to do it by middle term. 8 into 3, that is 24. So we can use 6 into 4, 24. Okay, so 8 sin square theta plus 6 sin theta minus 4 sin theta minus 3 equal to 0. We take the common 2 from here, sorry, not 2 sin theta, 2 sin theta, then 4 sin theta plus 3, and here minus 1 should be the common, then 4 sin theta plus 3 equal to 0. Now if we take the common 4 sin theta plus 3, then 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. If the multiply of two function is 0, then both are equal to 0. Then we can say 4 sin theta plus 3 equal to 0 and 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. From here sin theta equal to minus 3 by 4, and from here sin theta equal to 1 by 2. But it is given that theta is between 0 to 90 degree, 0 to 90 degree. That means sin theta will be positive, then sin theta equal to minus 3 by 4, it cannot be true. Then sin theta equal to 1 by 2, that means half, the value of sin theta is half, then we can say sin 30. So theta equal to 30 degree, Now we have to find the value of this function. Sec 2 theta plus cot 2 theta by cosec 2 theta plus tan 2 theta. Then we put the value of theta equal to 30, that is sec 60 degree plus cot 60 degree by cosec 60 degree plus tan 60 degree. Now the value of sec 60 degree equal to 2, and the value of cot 60 degree equal to 1 by root 3, and the value of cosec 60 degree equal to 2 by root 3, and the value of tan 60 equal to root 3. Now here root 3 is the LCM, so 2 root 3 plus 1 by, here also root 3 is the LCM, 2 plus 3, root 3 eliminated, then 2 root 3 plus 1 by 5, that is 1 by 5 into 1 plus 2 root 3. It is the answer. So it is the answer, 1 by 5 into 1 plus 2 root 3. Very important problem, so look it very carefully. Okay, let's start the next problem. We have to find the value of tan square theta minus sin square theta by 2 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. 4 options are given. Okay, let's start. Tan square theta minus sin square theta by 2 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. We have to find the value of this function. Okay, tan square theta minus sin square theta by, we can use these two as 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. So 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 plus cot square theta. Now tan square theta minus sin square theta by, we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Then we can use the value of 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, that is sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Why? Because we also know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So we use the value of 1 plus cot square theta as cosec square theta. Now tan square theta minus sin square theta by sec square theta means 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta. Here tan square theta minus sin square theta by, here LCM is cos square theta into sin square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? We know the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Then we can say cos square theta sin square theta into tan square theta minus sin square theta by 1 because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. Next we can say cos square theta sin square theta into tan square theta. Tan square theta means sin square theta by cos square theta. Okay. Minus cos square theta and sin square theta, that is sin to the power 4 theta equal to cos square theta eliminated, that is sin to the power 4 theta minus cos square theta into sin to the power 4 theta. Now we can take the common sin to the power 4 theta. Now 1 minus cos square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Then we can put the value of 1 minus cos square theta as sin square theta. So sin to the power 4 theta into sin square theta, that is sin to the power 6 theta. So sin to the power 6 theta is the answer. Sin to the power 6 theta is the answer. Okay. It is the process to solve it, and now we can do it in another way. Okay, let's do that. We have to find the value of this function. Okay, so we put the value of theta equal to 40, put the value of theta equal to 45, put the value of theta equal to 45, that is tan square 45 minus sin square 45 by 2 plus tan square 45 degree plus cot square 45 degree, that is tan 45 means 1, oh sorry, here is tan square 45, that value will be 1 minus sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2 and square, that is 1 by 2, and 2 plus here is 1 plus cot 45 equal to 1 also. 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 by 4. So that will be 1 by 8. Then the value of this function will be 1 by 8. Now by option test, we can easily choose the answer from here. Okay, let's see. First we take this option sin to the power 6 theta. Now put theta equal to 45 degree whole to the power 6. Sin 45 means 1 by root 2 whole to the power 6. 1 by root 2 whole to the power 6 means 1 by 8. Now see, if we put theta equal to 45, then the value of this function and this function is the same. So we can easily say that the function of this value will be sine to the power 6 theta, will be sine to the power 6 theta. Okay, we can do it in that process also. Okay, next. Now let's start the next problem. Here given that a plus b equal to 45 degree, then we have to find the value of 2 into tan a plus 1 into tan b plus 1, and 4 options are given: 4, 1, 0 and 2. Okay, solve it. A plus b equal to 45 degree. Take tan in both sides, take tan in both sides, that is tan a plus b equal to tan 45 degree. We know the formula of tan a plus b, that is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b equal to tan 45 degree equal to 1. Now multiplying in diagonally, we get tan a plus tan b equal to 1 minus tan a tan b, tan a tan b. Now tan a plus tan b minus tan a tan b, here will be plus tan a tan b equal to 1, equal to 1. Now tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b plus 1 equal to 1 plus 1. We add here a extra 1 in both sides, Now we take common from these two function tan a, then 1 plus tan b, and from the remaining two functions here 1 will be the common, 1 plus tan b equal to 2. Now take the common 1 plus tan b. If we take the common 1 plus tan b, then here tan a and here plus 1, 1 plus tan b into 1 plus tan a equal to 2, but we have to find the value of 2 into tan a plus 1 into tan b plus 1, but here is tan a plus 1 into tan b plus 1, so we have to bring an extra 2, so 2 into tan a plus 1 into tan b plus 1 equal to 4, so 4 is the answer. Okay, very important problem, it is a very important problem. Okay, let's do the next one. If a lies in the first quadrant and 6 tan a equal to 5, then find the value of 8 sin a minus 4 cos a by cos a plus 2 sin a. So here it is given that 6 tan a equal to 5, and it is also given that a lies in the first quadrant. Okay, so we can say if it is a right angle triangle, it is 90 degree and it is the angle A, then in this figure this side is adjacent side or base, it is the opposite side, that is perpendicular, and it is hypotenuse. Okay, tan A equal to opposite by adjacent. If we named this figure as MNO, then tan A equal to MO by NO. Though it is an right angle triangle, then we can say by Pythagoras formula that MO square plus NO square equal to MN square, right? Okay, now from here we can say tan A equal to 5 by 6, that is opposite is 5 and adjacent side is 6. Then by putting this value here we can find the value of Mn, the value of hypotenuse, that is MO, that is opposite side is 5, that is 5 square 25, plus NO, that is adjacent side 6, that is 6 square 36, equal to Mn square, that is Mn equal to root 61. The value of root 61 can be plus or minus, but here it is given that A lies in the first quadrant, so sin A and cos A also will be positive. Okay, now from here sin A equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, here opposite side is 5, and the hypotenuse is root 61, and from here cos A equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is 6 by root over of 61. Now we have to find the value of 8 sin A minus 4 cos A by cos A plus 2 sin A, that is 8 into 5 by root 61, putting the value of sin A and cos A, minus 4 into 6 by root 61 by 6 by root 61 plus 2 into 5 by root 61 equal to root 61 is the LCM, and 8 into 5 40 plus, minus 4 into 6 24, and here 61 is also the LCM, and here 6 plus 2 into 5 10, that is 61 and root 61 is eliminated. 40 minus 24, that is 16 by 10 plus 6 16 eliminated, equal to 1. So here 1 is the value, and 1 is the answer. Okay, very good problem, so look it very carefully. Okay, that's all for today. To be with me, please like and share the videos and subscribe my channel. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.